What's up, everybody on YouTube? This is DJ Kicks here coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing, detailed look, and review of the brand new Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0 that just dropped Saturday, October 26th. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so I've got the DTLR bag right here. Actually picked these up from my local DTLR in Security Mall. Actually won the raffle for a chance, so that does not normally happen with me, so definitely excited about that. Shout out to DTLR for holding me down with the raffle and letting me be able to buy this pair. It's definitely a blessing. Thank you so much, DTLR. Let's go ahead and get this bag open so that way I can show you guys what these shoes are looking like. So take these out of the bag, toss that, and then boom. So as you can see, you got your Nike staring at you on the top of the box there. Looks like my box got a little damaged up there, but it's all good, not a problem. But yeah, I mean, standard Jordan 1 box on these. Official code for this Jordan is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Official colorway is black, starfish, and pale vanilla. So this is kind of a like a remix on the Shattered Backboard theme on the Jordan 1. So definitely excited to take a look and see what these guys look like in hand. All right, so go ahead and take the lid off this guy here. Pull down the paper, and boom, there you guys go. As you can see, you got the Jordan 1 and the Shattered Backboard 3.0 colorway. Go ahead and take these guys out here. Got the left shoe, sit that to the side for a second. And then the right shoe here. Take that to the side. And boom, there you guys have it. This is the highly anticipated, kind of hated, kind of liked Jordan 1 Retro and the Shattered Backboard 3.0 colorway. And as you can see, that bright, shiny looking leather is definitely prevalent. Not exactly sure if this is an actual like patent leather or not, but it does have that shiny gloss finish. But yeah, so I mean, definitely that shine is definitely what we were thinking, what we thought we were going to get. And that is exactly what this is, a shiny looking patent leather Jordan 1. So taking a look at the upper here, you can see here, pretty much all entire shiny gloss finish on this leather. I'm not exactly sure if this is like a premium feeling or even maybe a soft leather just because of that shiny glossy feel. So it's kind of hard to tell if this is actually, a decent leather quality. It has these, wrinkles all over the place. You can really see them pretty prevalent on the toe as well as on the side panels. Got your standard, Jordan 1 Wings logo there in the top collar portion on the orange panel there. Going down here, you can see the orange hits on the back panel as well as the swoosh, especially on the toe. That orange is pretty prevalent there, and especially with that crinkled looking, patent leather look there. Taking a closer look here at the toe box, you can definitely, like I said, see that orange color that way there. Going up through here, does have an entire blacked out nylon tongue, just like you would see on most Jordan 1 models. Got the Nike Air branding because this is an OG, high colorway. So you got the Nike Air branding there on the tongue, and then, like your standard Jordan 1 hits, pretty much all throughout the shoe. Here on the inside, you can see it's got, that entire shiny looking glossy finish on the entire upper portion here. The inside is pretty much the same as the outside. It's got that wrinkled looking, kind of worn in look to it. As you can see here on the back of the shoe, has more of that orange or starfish colorway that they're calling it. Has the black, panel inlaid in there, and then black on the collar portion right by where your heel is. So a little bit closer look here at the top portion, and then, taking a look here at the insole. You can see the Nike Air branding as we would expect on a Retro 1 High OG. On the inside, you got the Nike Air staring at you in orange there, pretty much, what we're used to seeing with Jordan 1s. This does differ from, other Shattered Backboard, or actually from the original Shattered Backboard colorway, the 1.0s. The 1.0s actually had that shattered rim and backboard, insole on it, which was pretty different. This one just has your standard Nike Air on the inside. But, overall with this particular shoe, quality appears to be decent. I'm not seeing any like glue marks or glue stains or anything along the top portion. Like like I was saying, I mean, this isn't all glossy finish, so it's kind of hard to see like any kind of like actual details in the leather itself. I'm gonna go ahead and assume with all these crinkles that maybe the leather is kind of premium, but that glossy finish kind of covers up that soft feeling leather. You can't really tell if it's soft feeling or not. But overall quality, I would say, is pretty good. Um, I mean, I'm not one to say that I genuinely like this shoe just because of that glossy finish, but I mean, if it works for some people, it works, and it is what it is. I do kind of like this bottom portion here that you're looking at with this vanilla colorway. It's really a different type of color than we're used to seeing on a Jordan 1. So normally we're used to seeing like either the sail or the white midsole going into the outsole with these guys. I really like that they kind of switched it up and gave us a new, different kind of looking color. Especially with this release coming out, pretty much in line with Halloween. I think this really goes with, the time that we're in and all that good stuff. And looking here on the left side shoe, though, they do give you the lace bag with the extra laces. They actually changed up the laces bag just by itself. It looks like this is in a larger bag than we've been normally seeing. So I'll show you guys that right here. So it looks like it's in a pretty large bag, that we're not really used to seeing. It does have the laces rolled up like usually, but I'll go ahead and break out what the lace bags on the UNC and Obsidian Jordan 1s look like. So these have the Obsidian laces in them just because I switched it out for the UNCs on the actual shoe itself. But as you can see, the bag size difference is pretty heavy. That's a pretty big bag. This is pretty small. So they definitely changed it up, and then they added the Jumpman on there as well. I know that a few people, when they were getting their early pairs and stuff like that, were thinking that maybe some pairs were fake just because of this lace bag. But it looks like the Jordan brand's been switching it up on it, so maybe they're trying to keep the fake markets, keep them guessing or something with with the lace bags and stuff like that. But like I was saying, guys, on these shoes, it's really not much to say. I mean, we've seen people having these shoes before. We know what they look like. We know exactly what this glossy leather look, is doing. I'm gonna say, like I was saying before, overall, it's okay to me. It's really okay. It's an okay sneaker release. It's got the Shattered Backboard name attached to it, so it's a really cool concept. I like that they're Jordan Brand is trying to do different things and trying to switch things up. It's really cool. For me though, I just really don't know if I like this glossy looking finish. I've seen people matte out this finish. Sneakerhead in the Bay is one person that's done those. Shout out to him. It made them look 1,000% better. So I really wish that they would have stuck with just a regular matte finish on these guys instead of this glossy look. But hey, I can understand the story. I've heard that they're called, they have this glossy finish because of the Shattered Backboard. So it's trying to mimic the glass and stuff from that, tournament that Michael Jordan was in when he shattered the backboard. So that's cool. I mean, that's really cool. But overall, they're pretty decent to me. As far as it goes for me, I'm going to give them maybe like a 7 out of 10. I do like the colorway. I just really don't think I like how they executed the glossy leather. That's really the only thing that's really tripping me up. Quality-wise, colorway-wise, they're really cool. I just think they're most a 7 out of 10 just for my opinion. But like I said, that is my opinion, so definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Let me know if you guys are really feeling these and if you got them in hand, if you like them more or if you like them less. Let me know in the comments section. But this is going to do it for me for this unboxing, detailed look, and review of the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Definitely take a look at all of the close-up shots. Take a look and see if you're going to be willing to pay the resale for these, or if you're going to pick up some a pair from somewhere else. Take a look at those shots. That way you can determine if you want to pick these guys up. As always, I appreciate everybody watching the video. Make sure you like this video if you did like the content. Definitely helps out a lot. Lets me know if you're liking what I'm putting out, as well as leaving a comment in the comment section below. Just let me know what your guys' thoughts on these shoes are. If you had already picked them up, if you plan on picking them up, anything down there in the comment section is appreciated. And then last but certainly not least, make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Try to get as many sneaker releases as I can so that way I can review those for you guys so that way if you weren't to plan on picking them up or not. Definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you guys do get notified when I post new content. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend. This has been DJ Kicks. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.